I got to show you guys something. So this is my front yard. We have had this planter here for about 3 years. It's a metal little planter. It comes in pieces. We just got it on Amazon. It's super inexpensive. But my chickens discovered this last year, and now I can't keep anything alive in it because they just come in here and they dig it all up. I put silk flowers in here a little over a month ago, and it looks amazing, and they have not faded. They get sunlight beating on them for most of the day, and they look so good. As a matter of fact, I've had a few people ask me, what flowers are those? Because they look so beautiful. I would love to plant some in my own yard. I think they look great. Now, if you know that they're fake and you look at them up close like I am, you can tell. But if you have a planter somewhere where people don't really get super close to it or don't stare at it, I think this works beautifully. So if you need something for your yard, maybe you can't grow beautiful flowers because of the weather, maybe you forget to water, maybe you've got chickens like me who like to eat everything, this is such a great solution. I am considering adding some in other places of the yard because I love the pops of color and nobody would know the difference. So I've got just a few plants that the chickens haven't discovered, and these. I'll put links to everything in here below.